So we're gonna assemble switch. The assembly is so straightforward. You fit the switch into the button through the hole, push it in, take the nut, put the nut at the back, take 19mm socket, deep one, turn it a few times, and then just and it's done. If you want to check the color of the LED, you could do this before you actually mount the switch into the button. Plug it in. Turn the DVM, set it to a diode test. And then place red one, use the red and black cables. And say, for example, this one is blue. The LEDs are bi-directional, so you can even put the red one to the black, and then you're still gonna get blue. Different color. So red one, black one, and this one is white. You can have them in a push switch mode or the latching. Yeah, so let's fit this into a dash. So they're made to be quite a tight fit. So you align the little notch. And then you got a little lock-in pin on this side. So you have to push it in. And then if you flip it to the front, you push the button and align it with your finger. So pull it, or you have to kind of wiggle it a little bit. And it's in. And you can see this one is the white one with white ring. So to take it out, you need to use the flathead screwdriver. And then because we've got the notch here, to remove it, you have to push your screwdriver not far. So make sure you don't use a fat screwdriver. Just to make this push it enough. Yep, you can see being unlatched, and you can push it from inside, and the switch is coming out. So once again, to fit that in, fit the switch, align it, and then use your fingers on this side to pry it to like guide the switch. So I'm gonna pull. So I pulled it, and then clip in, and it sits. Make sure it's well secured at the back, which it is. And yeah, that's your switch install. And then you can see if it follows the actual nice profile of the panel.